everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I have a very teeny tiny haul for you guys. Some couple of things came from Amazon, some crafty, some not, but I'm gonna go ahead and share it with you guys in case you guys are interested. So the first thing is I bought this cuticle remover since I'm doing my own nails now. I don't really know how to give myself a manicure. Like I know I can just push the cuticles, but sometimes I have a lot of cuticles, and so anyway, this is supposed to remove it without having to cut your cuticles. I think it just softens it and removes it somehow. You apply it, I think it says you leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes and then you push your cuticles and then you wash away with soap and water. So I thought I'd share it with you guys in case there's some of you out there who do use it. Let me know if this works well. But yeah, since I'm doing my own nails, I have no choice because I'm not going out right now. And then the second thing is a cool gadget that I recently purchased, which is this right here. I already opened it, but this is the company right here, I guess, or the manufacturer. Again, these are all the items I'm going to show you are all from Amazon, and I'll leave the links down in the description box below if you're interested. This is like a cell phone easel, I guess, holder, if you will, and I like it. It's pretty inexpensive, and I think the one my husband got, it came in a 2-pack. It comes in black or one white. So I told my husband I wanted the white one. This is gray here and this is gray, but it's mostly white, and it just really works well to, let me show you. This is just an older cell phone here, but look. And what I like is that you can, you know, put it in any angle you want. The one I have right now that I'm using has a ring in the back, but it just doesn't stand up like this. You know, it's a little bit more on the flat side like this, and I don't like that. And I'm always using my phone. I'm always watching on my phone as well, so this works so well, and it's nice and sturdy, and it's light, and it's plastic, but it's pretty sturdy plastic. So yeah, I really like it. So if you're interested, I will leave the link. Okay, and then the last couple of things are crafty. So I can't seem to get to the Dollar Tree, so I did find these applicators on Amazon, and I think they're so pretty. I love the colors. These are silicone applicators, and I'm sorry, there's a lot of glare. Let me open one for you. I'm sure you've seen it, and I'm sure some of you guys have bought yours from Dollar Tree. But I was able to buy this, and I can't remember how much was it. They were like a little bit over $1, I think, if you calculate it. So it's good enough. The price is pretty good. And the reason I bought this is because I have a scrub that I like to use once a week or twice a week, and this is great for scooping it out. But since it came in a pack, I could also use the rest of it for crafting. And the one I was using is this one right here. I've had it for, I don't know, a couple of years now. I think I've been using, and it was the same as this one, but I did cut it because I wanted to be able to put it in my glitterific bottle, so it was easier to, you know, apply, and that's why I kind of cut the edges. But I know Frank Garcia Studio also sell these applicators. I know he has them in the store as well, so you can check that out. I haven't bought the one from his store, but they are more slender, so it does, I'm sure it does, you know, fit in the bottle. But before he came out with it, this is what I had been using. I just kind of cut it. So anyway, thought I'd share these with you guys in case you guys are not going to the Dollar Tree like me, and or you don't have a Dollar Tree near you, so you can get it on Amazon. I have Prime, so it works out for me because I don't have to pay for shipping. Okay, and plus I'm not going out right now, as you guys know. Okay, and the last thing that I wanted to share with you guys are some binder rings. So I wanted to get some binder rings that were 1.5 inch. The last time I did a mini, I used just the regular binder rings, which are these right here. And they're just a little too small for me. They worked well for my album, but I like to embellish my album, so I needed a bigger one. So I wanted to give these a try, and I got, again, everything's from Amazon. So they came in different colors. So they came in these darker ones here. And again, these are 1.5 inch. There's a purple. There's this one right here, and it's a little bit pricier, of course, but totally worth it for me because, you know, I don't have to pay for shipping. So these are the darker colors. Oh gosh, why is it not focusing? There we go. Sorry guys, I don't know why my camera is not. Okay, so these are the darker colors here, and then I basically got it because I wanted to work with these colors right here. As you guys know, I love pastels, and as you can see in comparison, look how big this one is. So this is 1 inch, this is 1.5, and I think I have a 2 inch one too from the Graphic 45 one right here. From the album set, this one I think is about 2 inches or close to 2 inches. So as you can see, those are the different sizes. Oops, can you guys see that? So these are just, it's good to have a variety depending on what project you're working with. And yeah, so those are the binder rings. If you guys are interested, I will leave the link in the description box. And stay tuned because I will be posting another video. I have a small project that I created. I thought I'd go ahead and share this again with you guys because I kind of sped it up the last time I had shared this with you, but this was also from Amazon, and I know a lot of you guys were asking for the links, so I'll leave it in the description box. But I love these cute little beads. Let me just focus, sorry guys. And it came in a variety of colors. There's 8 colors altogether, and you get about 3 to 4 each of the colors. It didn't come in the case, but I thought I'd go ahead and just give you the size in case you are wondering. They are about okay, the width is 1 1/8 inch, and then the height of it is about 7/8 of an inch, so almost 1 inches. So it's a pretty good size, and I just love the way they look. Now you can find these also, something similar to this I think I found on AliExpress. They might be a little bit smaller though, and I think the center looks a little bit different, but you guys can check it out. These are more expensive on Amazon. They were $6.99, but I mean, it was worth it for me because I didn't have to pay shipping, and it came out to $6.99 for 30. And I think the ones I saw on AliExpress, they were $3 something, like almost $4, which is less, but I think that was only a set of 25 is the one that I found on there. So for me, it was worth it getting it on Amazon, and it didn't come with a case, just to let you know. I'm just kind of trying to organize everything, and I'm loving these little cases, you guys. I'm just storing all of my little knickknacks in it and it just makes everything so much more organized. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.